How to check recently watched reels on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now let's get started. Open your Instagram app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your Instagram account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom you'll find different options. Head towards this reel option. After you land to the reel section, you can just swipe up in this way and you will be able to find those reels that you have just watched recently. This trick only works for the recently watched reels on Instagram. Likewise, in the case you have made any kind of interaction with the reel that you have watched in your Instagram, you might find that reel. For that, what you can do is head towards the profile of yours. At the top right corner, you will find 3 bars. Tap on it. Now go to the option Your Activity. Now over here you will find this section for interactions, and under that you will find the option of likes, comments. Heading towards the option of likes. Now over here you're gonna find the reels that you have liked. Likewise, head back and go to the option comments. If you had commented on any reel, you will find over here. So this way you will be able to find the reels. So right now these are the ways to check recently watched reels on Instagram. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.